Turnstar Systems, the total solution for all your physical access control needs. Turnstar innovation is driven by professional engineers utilizing the latest technology to create the most reliable and durable entrance control products. The company has worked on mega projects, providing the customer with the right solution, on time, within budget and with zero failure. With its 9,000 square meter factory in Johannesburg, South Africa, and branches in both the Western Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, Turnstar manufactures quality products which have been tried and tested in the harshest of conditions and have been exported to over 70 countries. Every project is unique, and Turnstar has a full sales and design team to assist you with the initial concept, through to the design and fabrication, and finally to the on-site installation. Established in 1990, Turnstar's production capabilities include CNC lathes, CNC machining centers, CNC press brakes, robotic welder, 4 kilowatt fiber laser plate and tube cutter, hopper and shaper gear cutters, band saws, circular saws, welding machines, polyester powder coating plant with an ultra-clean 11-stage surface preparation and phosphating process, followed by a thermally cured electrostatic powder coating system, stainless steel pickling, passivating and polishing. With over 125 machines, all production is carried out and accredited according to the strictest international ISO 9001 standards. Turnstar manufactures a number of physical access control products, including all types of industrial full-height and half-height turnstiles, prestige waist-height and half-height turnstiles, glass turnstiles, drop arm barriers, Speedgates and swing gates, automatic manual and security revolving doors, man-trap cubicles and security booths, automatic and manual vehicle barriers, high-speed spike vehicle barriers, bollards and road blockers. Products can also be designed and manufactured according to customer-specific requirements. The products are supplied to mines, factories, warehouses, office blocks, banks, universities, health clubs, shopping centers, residential buildings and stadiums, to name a few. With a staff complement nearing 200 employees, all dedicated to providing clients with durable, quality products, Turnstar is the clear choice when it comes to the design, manufacture and installation of any physical access control product. Turnstar. Reliable, durable, guaranteed.